Hello everybody, it's Joe Mrozek, and for this summer of adventure video, I am trying a new style, so let's see how it goes. In this episode, Alexa, Ken, Zach, and myself go to Kennywood, a local amusement park. Amusement parks are always a go-to option for anyone looking to go on some thrilling but safe adventures, and for good reason. So we actually arrived before the park opened, but mornings are great because it's not as hot out, and you can ride more popular rides with less of a line, because lines are stupid, and unless it's Disney, you don't want to wait 45 minutes to ride one ride. So we went straight to the Phantom's Revenge, one of Kennywood's most popular rides. Also, none of the ride footage itself is mine. I borrowed it from other YouTube channels because of Kennywood's stupid GoPro policy. You're not allowed to wear GoPros if you're seen recording any of you on the ride or anything like that. You just get kicked out of the park, so that's fantastic. Cedar Points is the same way for some reason. Kennywood is right on the Monongahela River in Pittsburgh, which means you get pretty great views, especially at the tops of the roller coasters, because you can just look out at all the factories and over the river, and it's great. After the Phantom, we rode the Exterminator and nearly broke our necks, but it was worth it because the building was nice and cold, so who needs a spine that is in one piece anyway? After riding a few of their roller coasters and ditching the girls briefly on a roller coaster because Zach and I wanted to ride in the front car and they did not, we got Johnny Rockets for lunch, which is essentially just a more expensive steak and shake. Even the atmosphere and everything is all the same. Then I saw a statue of the American hero, George Clooney. And then Alexa and Ken's wanted to ride the tall swingy thing, and I'll let other Joe handle this one. So the girls wanted to go on the swings. We didn't want to go on the swings because we just ate at Johnny Rockets, and our tummies are full, and rides and tummies in hot weather don't go well. So we're riding here. Zach's watching golf, and we're on this very intriguing roller coaster called Sit at Picnic Tables. It's great. Thanks, Joe. And then we rode the ride called the Pittsburgh Plunge. It is a water ride, and actually, you know what? I'll just let Joe tell you what happened on that one. We got wet. Thank you. Very insightful explanation. So at this point, we were all getting bored, and we rode a few rides again. Zach and I screamed at the top of our lungs on every roller coaster, pretty much for fun, sometimes not for fun. So we decided to finish our riding experience on something a little bit more tame, for Zach and I's sake, to keep our sanity. The bumper cars. So to wrap up our day, we went to a popular shopping area in Pittsburgh called the Waterfront, and to end this video, I'll let Joe describe our time there. The girls went in the Bath & Body Works, and we're bored. Now the girls are in Victoria's Secret. Yeah. So I would love to hear about your favorite amusement parks and roller coasters, so tell me about them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff, and I will see you later.